When developers start a new project, spinning up a database server like PostgreSQL is often a reflex. It's the default move for managing structured data. That choice provides an immediate structural advantage. A dedicated server grants you infinite upward scalability and robust native network access across multiple applications. But that capability carries a strict financial trade-off. Running even a modest dedicated database server costs most businesses $20 to $50 in baseline recurring infrastructure costs every single month. There is also an operational toll. Configuring network ports, managing network security, and maintaining server updates takes careful administrative time, even if building a simple internal business tool. That level of heavy lifting is entirely mismatched for a solo developer building a desktop application, or a small business needing rapid deployment of a prototype with localized data storage. Defaulting to a server database for these smaller projects creates unnecessary friction. Builders end up paying an immediate, recurring infrastructure tax to support a massive scale they simply do not yet need. SQLite offers a serverless alternative. It eliminates database infrastructure entirely while maintaining strict, ACID-compliant data integrity. This side-by-side comparison shows the difference. On the right, SQLite runs embedded directly within your application, storing the entire database in one portable file. Compare that to the left, where traditional databases require a separate server process, strictly for network requests. The central question for developers is whether eliminating server configuration and monthly hosting costs justifies the physical limitations of relying on a single, local file. Choosing SQLite is an architectural compromise. You are trading future-proof multi-user scalability for immediate, frictionless deployment. Operationally, utilizing SQLite means relying entirely on that single file storage format for all database operations. The immediate outcome of this file-based approach is total portability and remarkably simple backups. To migrate or backup your entire application's data, you just copy that single file. It is the exact same process as copying a standard text document on your desktop. Looking at this comparison matrix, we see the resulting trade-off in the network access row. The embedded single file lacks built-in network access. External systems cannot remotely query SQLite natively. To read that data, developers must build a custom API bridge. And while you can apply encryption extensions, your data security is ultimately limited to the physical, local file system controls of the machine hosting the file. SQLite gives you ultimate local portability, but you sacrifice the native ability to act as a shared remote data hub from multiple external applications. The practical input of choosing a database with a zero configuration deployment model is raw speed from the very start. Internal tools and prototypes are up and running in a matter of hours, sidestepping the days usually required for server setup and testing. This speed comes with major advantages: zero licensing or subscription costs, flawless cross-platform compatibility, and mature integration libraries, because SQLite operates entirely in the public domain and is ready to use immediately. But abandoning the server model carries a specific security penalty. You lose the sophisticated built-in database user permission systems that manage complex access hierarchies. Developers are explicitly trading the granular, database-level security controls of a dedicated server for the frictionless, instantaneous deployment of a single file. Despite being lightweight, SQLite still processes complex relational SQL queries natively. This representation of file-level locking shows how it handles queries mechanically. When one user writes information, others are blacked and queue up. This guarantees perfect data integrity for single-user operations, but it creates severe bottlenecks for multi-user writes. Traditional server databases handle simultaneous writes on a row-by-row basis without locking down the entire database structure. SQLite locks the entire file. Relying on a local file means you abandon the automated, server-level snapshots standard in hosted platforms. You must implement diligent, manual backup routines for your files. SQLite guarantees exact data integrity for localized, low-traffic environments, but its architecture actively prevents scaling into a massive multi-user write environment. This decision tree flowchart helps determine exactly when an application's scope justifies a server and when SQLite is the correct technical choice. At the first node, if the application demands high concurrency write access from multiple users on day one, you must route immediately to PostgreSQL or MariaDB. Moving to the second node, If the project is a desktop app, a mobile app, or a localized internal tool for a small business, you route to SQLite to save overhead. At the third node, if the tool requires direct, networked data queries from external third-party apps, you must route back to a server database. Prioritizing SQLite for appropriate, lightweight use cases is not cutting corners. It is the strategic elimination of unnecessary technical liability. Startup architects often fear that choosing SQLite for an early prototype will permanently trap them in an unscalable architecture. This schematic outlines the established migration path. You can cleanly export SQLite data schemas directly into server databases like PostgreSQL when you eventually outgrow the single file limits. Because this migration typically takes only days or weeks to execute, SQLite functions as a highly effective, low-risk launchpad, even for applications that will eventually require scale. On ease of setup, SQLite is unmatched, requiring literally zero server configuration or ongoing administrative maintenance. It provides genuinely useful, relational SQL capability at zero operational cost, which represents exceptional value for single-user or lightweight environments. SQLite is a highly specialized, globally ubiquitous tool that perfectly solves the problem of local data storage, allowing developers to focus on building the application rather than managing the infrastructure.